Okay, student, now we'll discuss about the concept of consumer's equilibrium. So here, consumer's equilibrium refers to a situation when consumer gets maximum satisfaction out of his given income, and he has no tendency to make any change in his existing expenditure. So now the concept of consumer equilibrium is a position that is called balance condition. It's called a balance positions. Why it is called equilibrium means balance. Why it is called balance? Because consumer don't want to shift from his positions. Once he has reached this position or this point, he or she has no tendency to change his positions. That is why it is called equilibrium or balance. That is why this position is called equilibrium or balance condition. Why it is called equilibrium or balance? Because at this point or at these positions, consumer will get the maximum satisfaction. At this position, consumer will get maximum satisfaction, and that is why he will not change his positions. He or she has no tendency to change his position. Why? Because at this position or at this point he will get maximum satisfaction with his given income. That is why it is called consumer's equilibrium. Consumer equilibrium is the positions where consumer gets maximum satisfaction out of his given income, and he has no tendency to make any change in his existing expenditure, and he or she has no tendency to change his expenditure. That means, suppose he spends rupees 10 and spending rupees 10, suppose he getting 3 apples. Suppose he getting 3 apples, spending rupees 10. That means he thinks that by spending rupees 10 he will get 3 apples. Before that by spending 10 he was getting either 2 or 2.5 or 1, like this. Now after bargaining in the market, he or she find that spending rupees 10 he is getting 10 apples. So now this is the best positions. Why this is the best positions? Because by giving less amount of money he is giving maximum amount of satisfaction, and that is why he has no tendency to change his positions. That is why he has no tendency to change his positions or change his expenditure pattern, because if he change his expenditure pattern he cannot maximize his satisfactions, because the other options will give them either 2 apples or 2.5 apples or 1 apples, like this. So that is why it is called consumer's equilibrium or maximum satisfactions positions, because by giving his income at these positions he will get maximum satisfaction, so he has no tendency to change these positions, and that is why these positions is called the balance positions of the consumer. Now in other words, a consumer is in equilibrium when he regards his actual behavior as the best possible under the circumstances and feel no necessary to change his behavior as long as circumstances remain unchanged. So in other words, we can say that consumer equilibrium is a positions when he regards that his actual behavior is the best possible. So consumer thinks that, in other words, consumer equilibrium is like this, that consumer's behavior the actual behavior is will be the best in this position. That means consumer thinks that this is the best condition, this is the best bargaining. Why? Because by giving less amount of money he is getting maximum amount of satisfaction, and that is why it says that the actual behavior as the best possible under these circumstances, the behavior of the consumer will be best. behavior of the consumer will be best means in these positions consumer thinks that consumer getting maximum amount of satisfaction, maximum amount of utility by giving less amount of money. And at these positions consumer also feels that no necessary to change his behavior. No necessary to change his behavior means he will not change his consuming pattern, or he will not change his expenditure, he will not change his any other positions. Why? Because he understood that by giving less, this is the positions only, by giving less amount of money he will get maximum amount of satisfactions. Okay, that is why it states that feels no necessary to change his behavior as long as circumstances remain unchanged. If the other circumstances remain unchanged, then he will not change his income pattern or utility pattern or any other pattern. Why? Because he understood that in the market this is the best conditions. Okay, now in the next video we will discuss the assumption relating to the consumer equilibrium.